Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Steve with LRM. Today we're going to talk about replacing the switches on your steering wheel. You know, when you're drinking coffee and you spill something on it, that happens. Before we get started on how to save you money by doing it yourselves, guys, don't forget to subscribe to save money and also how to learn a little bit more about your trucks. Also, don't forget to pound that like button of the videos you like and love. And if you guys have any questions or concerns or a video that you would like for me to do, don't forget to leave a comment at the bottom. All right, guys, so the switches on the steering wheel, right? You would think it's hard. It really isn't. You guys can definitely do this and save yourself some money. A lot of the issues that we have are, buttons are sticking or not working. And when I open them up, unfortunately, it's due to liquid, mostly coffee. Just FYI. Before we get started, there's a few tools that we're gonna need, right? Flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna use an electric drill that puts in the bits, right? So this one's a T30 that you're gonna need, as well as a T15, right? These mine are interchangeable. If you wanna do it by hand, you can. It's a little exhausting, but I like to be fast. The steering wheel, to remove this, to get access to the wires, as well as pulling these out, you have to remove the centerpiece. This is where the flathead comes in, right? All you gotta do is pry. You will hear some honks. And once you get your fingers underneath, pop that off. It's that easy, right? Now, if you don't want to hear the steering wheel going off all the time, there's a little wire right here, a green one. All you do is just unplug it, right? Now, if you tap it, you can still hear the noise. I'm gonna remove this plate. I wanna caution you guys. There are 4 springs on each side. Please be careful. All we're gonna do is lift this up and move it out of the way so we can get access to the switches. Like I said, T30, lefty loosey, righty tighty, and 3. So once you have that all cleared, you'll see this wire here, unplug it, just squeeze the tab, and it pops out just like that. And then this comes forward, lift up slowly, and see, 1, 2, 3 springs. So the 4th spring fell out. All I can tell you is if it falls out, it's not a big deal. Just put it back in the holder and just put it out of the way. So now you have your few switches. You unplug them, right? Just like this. It's out of the way. This is out of the way. These here are not bolted in. Use your flathead screwdriver and they come out as a pair. So you got to replace this side and this side, right? So it comes together. So once you do that, see, just like that. Now this particular truck did not need these switches, but I just wanted to show you guys. So you'll see a black ground cables right here. That's what that T15's for on each side. You're just gonna take those off, pull it out, and then this here will come out, and then that's it. It's that easy, guys. I'm not gonna take it all off, but you guys got the idea. Once you remove those, put the new ones back in place, right? We're gonna pretend, right? Put it on. So now you got the ground. You can put this side in first if you want. Just push it in, and then this part, just keep an eye on that you don't pinch these. Once you get these are in, just like that, it's pushed in, and then this, the flat side, all you're gonna do is move it along the top side so it stays hidden. You may have to move the rubber a little bit out of the way, just like that. Can you guys see that right there? So I moved it from here all the way around to the outside so it's out of the way and it's not gonna create any damage. So you guys connected the ground cables here and here, push that up, all right, just like that. You're gonna put your plate back on, right? And if you guys remember, you're gonna put this through this, all right, as well as this. And you're gonna just place that spring, just like that. And then you can plug your switches back in. And don't forget to put that annoying green cable back on, just like that. So now you know the springs are there. You're gonna put your screws back in. Remember T30? Oh, and if you guys wanna know, I set my setting on, if you have a Milwaukee, at a setting 12. There you go. Now it's on, and then you'll see these little tabs right here. You can put your wires through there. That's what they're meant for. Other technicians don't put them back, and I don't know why. See how clean it looks? And then the last thing is the horn. The front part of the cover for the horn. Now it's gonna make some noise. All you gotta do is just pop, pop, and then test. Hey, it works. And then you can check see how everything scrolls. Anytime you guys put anything in new, you double check to make sure that it's working, all right? So just always remember, when I install stuff, make sure it looks nice and clean, everything's back together, and test all your buttons that they are working. and then you guys are done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, guys, so that was very easy to do. Just remember, you guys can do this. It didn't take that long, and you can save a lot of money by just doing it yourself. Just a few of the tools that you're gonna need, right? Flathead screwdriver. You're gonna need a T15 to remove those two little small screws for the ground cable. And then you need a T30 to remove that plate. Guys, it's here to save you money. A shopper you'll be out the door with maybe $600-700 when you can just be here relaxing in your truck and doing it yourself. Just saying. If you guys like what you saw today, don't forget to pound the like button. If you have any questions or concern of what you saw today, leave a comment at the bottom. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe. We're here to save you some money.